sitwasyon nila, sir, ng mga Yolanda?
Sa?
Yung sitwasyon nila, sir, ng mga Yolanda survivors.
Well, I'm happy that they have at least there's a regrowth of the place, and although I was not able to talk to them intimately because kulang yung panahon, but to see the smiling faces, but you know, if there is one tragic event in my life, marami yan eh. Matayan ka, gano'n. May isa akong event na nagkaroon ako ng trauma. Yung Yolanda. I will not it was a very traumatic experience because ewan ko kung nandoon kayo, but I was there right after. I could nakita ko yung mga tao na I had to navigate my way towards the regional office of the police to talk to them. I was only mayor lang ako noon. Pero sinabi ko na sa kanila na yung tulong ko, maswerte yun because at that time, the new ambulances kaka-deliver lang sa syudad. About 10 brand new. So, nung nangyari yun, we were all ears was listening to what was happening here. I said, because I was born here, yung parang umbilical cord ko konektado dito. May roots ako sa Leyte. Kaya ako, kinargahan ko lahat ng 5 trucks. Ito yung ambulansya ko. Then pag kinabukasan, nag-chopper ako. Then, it was when I landed na papunta ako doon sa regional command. Nagkaroon ako ng trauma. Hanggang ngayon.
One last question na lang. While ago, Congressman City, sabi niya, bakit ka daw pumunta rin sa measures na hindi mo naman yung ginagawa for my 6 years in presidency, going back to
sa bakit ang pupunta? Pupunta ako ng simbahan, ma. Hindi na siguro nila alam, but every Roman Catholic faithful, maybe not always, but you have to go to church. Laking ano talaga ako At nalay ako, San Beda ako puro pare yan. So, I was there. Parang second nature na namin yung ganun. Ewan ko sa iba.
Next network.
It comes naturally.